Good morning, Miss. My name is Loindan, son of Perumalu. My mechanism is 01 DDP 20F 2071. My group members are Kitla Mother, daughter of Ravichandran, mechanism number 01 DDP 20F 2071 72, and Renuka, daughter of Shankar, 01 DDT 20F 2067. Today, I want to present about practical exercise 2, global warming by manufacturing and the IoT system to solve the problem. Now, I want to talk about what is global warming. What is global? Global warming is a steady increase in the Earth's average temperature as measured by rising global surface temperatures caused or influenced by continuous emission of greenhouse gases with carbon dioxide and CFCs such as methane and nitrous oxide, as well as other air pollutants polluting over 90% of the atmosphere and affecting climate sensitivity and precipitation levels. Global warming can lead to rising sea levels, rise in the Earth's temperature, risk of species of animals becoming extinct, and increase in tsunamis, typhoons, hurricanes, floods, and other natural disasters, melting of the ice caps, and more. List out the equipment and device that required to build the IoT system. First is TCAD, second is Arduino Uno R3, LCD 16x2, breadboard small, photoresistor, temperature, potentiometers, and resistor. Ini saya punya weather monitoring system. Saya menggunakan Arduino, temperature sensor, photoresistor, potentiometer, dan LCD 16x2 dengan resistor. Saya menggunakan temperature sensor untuk sensor temperature suasana tersebut. Lepas kita buat coding, so kita boleh detect temperature, kita boleh monitor kita punya weather. So start simulation. So monitoring system sekarang temperature ialah 24, so normal temperature, dan intensity-nya too light. Kalau kita meningkatkan temperature kepada 124 too high, dan kita kurangkan dari temperature kepada negative 40 too low. So itu je weather monitoring system saya. Terima kasih.